their research projects. Presently, he is working on making pedagogy and research in emerging technologies like AI and embedded systems more accessible for teachers and students. NPIU, a unit of Ministry of Education, has recognized Dr. Chobe by awarding him Certificate of Appreciation for his sincere contribution in implementing technical education quality improvement program TechU Phase 3. Now may I request Dr. Chobe to please come on stage and start the session.
Good morning to all participants.
Good morning, sir.
Here and head of department, Dr. Renewable, all faculty members, and special thanks to Sagar for a nice introduction. I have been invited here to give a talk on IoT applications in EVs. Electric vehicle, microwave, smart grid, electrical engine has become a buzzword. Every student, every research scholar, faculty, research scholars, they all wish to work in these areas. Naturally, if they are willing to work in this area, it provides lot of opportunity of employment for higher studies, and particularly electrical engineering students and faculty research scholars, they are fortunate enough as the world is open for electrical students. They can work in either EVs, they can work in the microwave channel supporting, they can work AI application in electrical engineering. All of the emerging technology which you have been talking about, they are equally applicable for all electrical engineering. And you see that in private institutions or faculty members or research scholars, they are working where they will apply. Now, what is their paradigm? The paradigm is now to work to prove the application of emerging technology in electrical fields, to improve the efficiency, to improve, to have to reduce the electricity at a lower cost, better performance, high quality, reliability, all these things which can be, improved by carrying this emerging technology. That is what the applications. Merely going through this emerging technology, reading a few words about books, will not solve these problems. You have to customize everything and you have to prove that how these emerging technology can be applied in your field. Particularly under this ATAL activity programs, the Institute SISTec, I wish to congratulate SISTec and the management for getting granted from AICTE. It is a national level credit that it goes to electrical department in particular for organizing this program under ATAL activity programs. And this will really empower not only the students of this institute, but all other faculty members who are in nearby institutions. 2 days already gone, and probably they were all focusing on the electric vehicle, and mostly the applications of the power electronics in the electric vehicle, because the power electronics is involved in the electric vehicle. If you see the overall scenario of the electric vehicle, it is an interdisciplinary subject. You know that equally the competency required from the mechanical engineering department, equally competency required from the EC, computers, and electrical, all are required for the proper implementation of the e-vehicle. But still you will find that if you have gone to this morning newspaper, that what is the total contribution where people are using in India, 2.15% of the total vehicles across the globe. So it is too less. I mean, this is, even if you see the Indonesia, it is 9%. The Indonesia, I mean that have every after 4 5 people find that electric vehicles. So they are much ahead than ours. What kind of fear we have that we are not able to use these electric vehicles? We know the advantage of this. The major advantage we are talking about this is green energy. It is driven by the green energy. That's true. That it will reduce the pollution tremendously. And you know that only the pollution which is contributed mainly power plants and mobile these electric vehicles. That is one. Another is that the price of these oils, it is going up and up. And then you know that more than 350 billion dollars in rupees, they have already, it is government of India is paying for oil, and then the 80%, total 20% will able to produce. This is, that it is very tremendous. And if it go on increasing, then naturally we will not be able to move our bike after some time. That's how we have to situate this. But why we are not able to switch over so easily? That's some question. That's why we are here. That's why the faculty development program is being advanced so that we can get some solutions. Small solutions, small suggestions may boost the people will develop the confidence because of the easy operation of the vehicles, because of the once you are having some e-vehicle, so you will not have any kind of fear that on the road it may get stopped, where it will go, whether the skilled people are available or not, mechanics is available or not. So all is to know that if you go in the market to buy electric vehicles, what is in your mind? उसको आता है ना दिमाग में बोला कि सर आवर दैट इट इज टू he will try to convince you वो एक ग्रीन एनर्जी की बात नहीं करेगा अभी हमारे दिमाग में ग्रीन एनर्जी की बात ज़्यादा नहीं आती हमारे दिमाग में दो बातें आती है एक तो व्हीकल का कॉस्ट कितना आएगा और वो ये मेंटेनेंस वाला जो सेक्टर है वो क्या होगा तो अगर आपने तो बोला कि इफ यू आर रनिंग मोर देन 100 किलोमीटर एवरी डे ओके इट विल बी इकोनॉमिक क्योंकि वो तो आपकी जो बैटरी है आफ्टर 3 इयर्स 4 इयर्स दैट इज अ लाइफ टाइम आफ्टर 3 इयर्स 4 इयर्स अगेन यू हैव टू गो फॉर 40,000 रुपए 40,000 खर्च करने पड़ेंगे आपको तो एक जो व्हीकल हमारा ट्रेडिशनल व्हीकल है उसमें तो हमको काफी ज्यादा खर्च करने पड़ते हैं पेट्रोल है जो कि धीरे-धीरे अगर 100 का 100 भी हो जाता है 150 हो जाता है वो चल जाता है एवरी डे वी कैन पे बट आफ्टर 3 इयर्स इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू पे 40,000 प्रोबब्ली विल नॉट बी सैटिस्फाइड एक तो वो कंस्ट्रेंट आता है हमारे पास में तो अभी भी आप जाकर के देखते हैं कि अभी भी टोटल जो सेल है वो हमारे जो ट्रेडिशनल व्हीकल्स हैं एंड बेस्ड व्हीकल्स है उनकी सेल ज्यादा है तो बट we have to think as a citizen. I mean, we are much aware of the environment. We know about the global warming. All these things, then we definitely we should go for these vehicles. With all these introductions, I will start my delivery on this.
तरफ पॉइंट करके पिक्सेल्स थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव पिक्सेल्स है वो थोड़ा सा क्लियरिटी हो सकता है इसको प्रॉपर जूम करो इसको थोड़ा प्रॉपर्ली
हाँ इसको करना है
इसका जो लेंस
हाँ वही हाँ आप थोड़ा फैला दिया है थोड़ा छोटा करो
इसका वो कहाँ है रिमोट इसका रिमोट
सर फिर क्वालिटी
अच्छा ठीक है
So if you see the title of this, it is confined to the battery management. But before the battery management, you cannot directly jump to the battery management because it was a lot of data complexity. And therefore that I have first categorized what are the scope of my topic today. So first of all, you can see the IoT applications in IoT. I will just in a superficial, it will be only some superficial talk about what is the application of IoT in the electric vehicles. That all you know, but you are not able to achieve it. All of you know that what is the applications of IoT. When I go through that, you will understand. Another is the introduction to IoT. IoT, introduction to IoT, as I said that it may be new for you, but don't worry about it. The way, if you see here, one by one, all the slides, you will be able to understand. इन तभी मत समझिएगा कि IoT एक वर्ड आ गया है तो I am not aware of it. हमने बताया था कि even if a child, if you child wishes to learn about the IoTs, blockchains, you can see that number of incidents, number of examples. You find that the small child is working on some AIs. IoT architecture. After the introductions, I will just discuss in brief about the IoT architecture. ESP32 microcontroller. ESP32 microcontroller has become so popular and it has got a wide applications in particularly EVs and particularly implementing all the IoT based projects. Those who are the higher secondary students, if you ask about your from your seniors, what is the title of your project? They will say that it's the IoT based, Arduino based. But alone the Arduino will not work. It is always working with this ESP32 microcontroller. ESP32 microcontroller has very salient features. But in fact, the government of India does not encourage to use ESP32 microcontroller. The reason is very clear. On the contrary, the ST Microelectronics has launched processors like ARM Cortex M4 and 3. That has also very having a lot of potential, and that can you can replace ESP32 microcontroller. Another current sensor and current sensor, if you have to assess the performance of the any battery, so you have to measure the input current and output current. You have to measure what is the charging current. You have to measure what is the load current. That's why a sensor is required, like the current sensor. In general, you measure using ammeter. ना measure करते हैं यहाँ पे meter से measure करते हैं, but here the current sensor. So that current sensor has it is a very small chip, but it is programmable, and the beauty of such devices is that it can be connected to the microcontroller, so that the data can be fetched from the sensor to the microcontroller. That is equally important. Of course, data to have, but it has to be fetched to the microcontroller. And if you have a large number of such devices where the data has to be read, it has to be fetched to the microcontroller. So there should be some communications, serial communications process be involved to implement it. That you can see. We'll see. Another the I2C protocol. So this I2C protocol, if you learn about the I2C protocol, you will understand the real application of I2C protocol and you will appreciate it. Blink server. Blink server that anytime you can download this app, and the Blink app. जो मोबाइल ऐप ब्लिंक, अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा एक ब्लिंक. There is a Blink server in the cloud, and it provides an IoT platform. In the IoT platform,